What's up, guys? It's your boy Uriah back with another video, and today I got an Elmers goo slime. I think the bucket fell, but it's like a really big clear slime. Comes with blue clay, comes with these snail beads, and comes with silver gauge glitter, rainbow sprinkles, and rainbow stars. So I think I'm gonna add everything but the glitter. But first, of course, you gotta get a bowl. Leave your clear slime just put it wherever you would like. And also, you can always add food coloring or anything really, but I think clay works better because it makes it like more soft, more stretchy. At first, when you get this out of here, it kind of is rippy, and it still kind of is. So I'm hoping the clay will fix that. And this is my dad in the background. You can't see him, but there he is. You'll see him probably around in the background. And so first, I think I'm gonna take the blue clay. I like this texture of the clay, kind of like really stretchy. So. Trying to get all this clay out of here. Full amount, so it's the color that we want, and really stretchy too. No, the whole thing. Just keep getting all of it. Okay. So now we're gonna take this bowl, put that in there. Now, I'm going to put some of these bead thingies in here. I'm not probably going to put the glitter in. That'd make it too shiny for me. These are pretty cool. Add a lot of those. Now sprinkles. I'm not really adding all of it, but I'm adding it as much as I think I need. Try not to explode this stuff everywhere. Put some more of those shiny things in. My mom hates slime. I like the noise that the bees are making. Okay. First, I'm going to put this in the middle. And put some of these. Now I'm going to put some more sprinkles. And here, you want to sprinkle it. Okay. Now let's get going with it. Oh no. Oh my gosh, yes, I love this. Okay, so now I'm waiting for the blue color to get in. Trying to get this green. Oh my gosh, guys. So fun. I think this was like, this was $9.34 at Walmart. Oh my gosh. Trying to get the whole thing blue. My mom might kill me for this, but yeah. Comment down below if you guys like Stranger Things. I don't watch it, my friends do. But I might have overbeated this, but you guys see all that sprinkles in there? Excuse me. I think my back throat's been hurting for a couple days. Seven foot one, that's so long back when he was young. Beach the black. I don't know why I got that back in my head. I haven't watched it. The last time I watched it was like 5 or 6 months ago. I don't even know. That's probably not accurate, but comment down below if you've watched Encanto. It's a really good movie for kids and family movies, I guess you could say. What am I getting for dinner? I don't know. I don't know. What am I getting for dinner? I don't know. Comment down below what your guys' favorite dinner or food is. Could be candy, but what kind? Also put whatever, like soda or drink you like water, soda. Mine's definitely Dr. Pepper. Shout out to Do Perfect. They're amazing YouTube videos. They have amazing YouTube videos. Okay. This slime is 3 pounds. I'm not British. It's like 3 pounds actually. I think this is like $10 though, counting tax. Okay, so I went to Walmart today and I was trying to find this stuff called black water, and it's supposed to be like a core water. If you guys know the company Core, they only have it online. So I was kind of mad. So I guess I'll have to buy it on Amazon or something. Dad, do you like the color?
Huh?
You like the color?
Oh, yeah.
It has like sprinkles in it and everything. I didn't put the glitter though.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah, I think it would be too bright.
Are you coming upstairs or are you staying down here?
I don't know. I'm probably going to watch TV if you're not going to. But that's my dad in the background.
I got fold some clothes.
Shit, he gotta fold some clothes.
I'm back down here a little bit soon because I gotta do my work.
You know what's for dinner?
It's 2 o'clock, buddy. I don't know where to.
Well, I was saying because.
I think salad. Salad.
Nice. Why are you going? Oh, you got full clothes. You said.
Get done with my chores.
Yeah,
And I'll do my workout.
So.
And then relax before I go into work.
I think I might post some kinetic sand videos, like the satisfying videos that they like use this, they just cut it. I love doing that. I did it yesterday night. So satisfying. Do you guys like those like cake story times and slime story times? I do. My mom is gonna be super mad at me. You already know. Low key. She actually might. I mean, she might be mad at me because she doesn't like necessarily like me making slime, but I didn't make it. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you do consider, please subscribe. You can always change your mind and unsubscribe. You can always like. And if you don't, and if you guys do, if you guys change your mind, you don't have to like it. You can undo the like. But thank you guys for watching. Please just look at my other videos. I think my other videos are pretty cool. I say definitely check out the I'm gonna probably be posting more than normal since it's summer and I'm kind of bored and stuff. And my dad's working 3rd shift at the hospital for 3 weeks, so that's cool. So I get to see him in the daytime. Usually I don't get to see him at daytime because he's working regular shifts. My mom's a massage therapist, which is good. So yeah, but I'm probably gonna be posting a lot more also because I'm getting new shoes. I'm getting some Adidas Yeezys. I went to Adidas just to check because I was just going around the mall to find a pair of shoes that I like, and they actually had a pair of Adidas Yeezys there. So they had like a couple different sizes, but they had my size. I had to wait to get my shoes because they had to they were trying to get more room in the store because it was kind of small. So yeah, but with that being said, I'm going to end the video. Hope you guys are having a good day, and if you're not, I hope this video cheers you up. Bye.